a diddle dum, right a da diddle dum, right a diddle dum. Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane.
Saturday morning, the first morning of the year. It was a very snowy morning. I went up to the big mountain to put a little sight on the sheep. The dog ran 3 times round the big mountain, but the dog grew tired. I took the sheep blanket and I put it on his 4 feet. I threw him on my back and I came away home. I was coming down the miry meadow when I heard a noise and I listened. They, themselves, the fairies, were carrying on the big bow, the fiddle.
Right a da diddle do, right a da diddle do, right a diddle dum. Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane.
I threw the dog on me back and I got as far as Sleuchern. Then I threw the dog down off me back and I went to prove the song. Alas, I'd forgotten it. Back with me, they were carrying on the big bow.
Right a da diddle dum, right a da diddle dum, right a diddle diddle. Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane.
I threw the dog on me back and I came away home. I was coming down the Bishop's Court flat. It was the Sunday morning. The sun was shining and I went to prove the song.
Right a da diddle dum, right a da diddle dum, right a diddle dum. Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane.
I reached home, I threw the dog under the table and I sat down in the big armchair. I went to prove the song when Moll got up and she said, "Poor Paddy, is it Sunday morning that's got thou? Away to bed with thee, Moll," said I, "or I will make the sun shine through thy ribs like a ribbed stocking."
Right a da diddle dum, right a da diddle dum, right a da diddle dum. Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane, Bollan Bane.